Hi everyone, this is Armen from ArmensCraftRoom. I wanted to bring everyone's attention to the Cards for Cubs organization in the United States. Cards for Cubs is a 501c3 charity which distributes handmade birthday and encouragement cards to foster care organizations. These cards are intended to provide hope in the children and young adults in our U.S. foster care system. The organization also strives to bring awareness to the foster care system. You can check out Cards for Cubs at cardsforcubs.org. I recently held an in-home party with my crafty friends. I pulled together a bunch of supplies and created mini kits for each attendee. We then all spent the afternoon creating birthday and encouragement cards together. We had a wonderful time, and overall we were able to make 70 cards between us. It was really fun to see how different everyone's cards were, given that we had very similar supplies in our kits. Check out the bottom of the screen to see who made each card. These cards will be added to other cards and sent out to Cards for Cubs during their March 2025 card drive. I'd love to send 365 cards in March of 2025. In 2020 to 2024, 3,874 card makers donated to Cards for Cubs. Cards for Cubs shipped out 210,211 cards to 440 foster agencies between 2020 and 2024. In 2024, 1,806 card makers participated in the March card drive, sending in a whopping 69,500 cards, 50% more cards than were sent in 2023. Cards for Cubs also received 174 case sponsorships in 2024. There were 463 cases of cards. If you enjoy card making and have more birthday and encouragement cards than you need, I encourage you to consider donating to Cards for Cubs. If you'd like to sponsor a case, donations can be made at cardsforcubs.org. If you plan on participating in the March 2025 card drive, leave a comment with your donation goal. I'd love to know how many cards you're planning on sending, and if you post them on social media, I'd love to see them. You can tag at ArmensCraftRoom on YouTube, Instagram, and Threads. Please feel free to share this video with other crafty friends who may want to join you for a crafty party to benefit Cards for Cubs. If you like this video, please consider clicking the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more card inspiration and card making tutorials, subscribe to my channel. It's free. If you click the bell icon, YouTube will notify you when I post my next video. Thanks so much for checking out our cards today, and we hope you'll join in on all the fun.